After I saw my friend's film, it was so fun. It was great.
Thank you so much for coming to this film.
I want to talk to you about a little situation.
I haven't seen you for so long. You probably won't recognize me.
We're gonna go viral!
Go viral.
I'm excited and happy, and it's exciting to see all of our hard work finally paying off. It's really a rewarding experience.
It was just a really great experience, and after the comments from the judges, I just felt really happy today.
I think I learned a lot. I did everything myself, so I really got a chance to practice and learn a lot of skills like editing, directing, and producing everything myself. It was really fun, a great experience.
In the past, I used to work in a lot of group works. I didn't really do any individual work like in a big production like this, so I learned a lot doing this work individually, like color grading, editing, and stuff. So it's been a very helpful journey like for myself.
So from the project, I had to take the role of a director and many more. I also edited, so I had to use all my experience that I've learned, everything I learned throughout the 4-year course that I did here in this project, and it was really amazing.
From our experience, I can tell that you need to choose a good team. You need your team and you need to trust your team, and without them, you cannot make it happen.
This is my 3rd time coming to judge the student thesis, and every year the work gets better and better. I'm so impressed. I think that people should be hardworking. That's very important. Being hardworking and talented is also not the most important thing. I think it's the ability to work with other people, because when you work in an industry like film and TV, you always have to collaborate with everyone else. And if you want to have a long career, it's important that you can be collaborative and work well with other people.
In my opinion, the IMI is bridging the gap between the education system and also the industry in terms of the building the student or building the quality person, quality people to go to the industry for work, to have the knowledge of the working in the industry.
I would say IMI is really bridging the gap between the student and the industry. For example, by this event where they bring in the people from the industry to speak, to comment on the students' work, so that they learn from the person who in the field outside of their classroom, so they can learn what's happening and how the industry professionals think of their work as well.
Reveal yourself, come let us see.
Oh no.
勇気を出さなければいけないことは
I just want to live this moment forever.
This is a senior project of IMI 4th-year student. So they're going to develop their project from the scratch until to the final work and then screen publicly. We bring ecosystem to comment and coach, so they will learn from people from the industry, and then they take the comments to help them improve their work in the future. So actually, for those who are interested in productions, this is a choice for you to study here. We're going to groom you from the beginning. You can learn from pre-production to post-production. You learn from the storytelling. You know how to tell the story through various kind of media, various kind of platform. And then you learn all the equipment to make the production works. And after that, you're going to bring it to life with editing, color grading, and more. So this is where we could provide you.
We have gained a lot of knowledge that is learned a lot around the world. Like we have not just only Thai, but we have to learn about the international program like this. And yeah, the content creator, you can create like around the world.
Doesn't matter where you're from, or like if you're nervous or don't have any experience in the industry, this is where you'll learn, and it's a great opportunity.
I feel like many generations from this will really enjoy IMI. So studying here at IMI, it is a great experience. I had to learn many things with like hands-on experience, not just in classrooms. So I think if you want to do something like outside classroom, hands-on experience, I think this will be a really great course for you.
If you're personally very interested in like filming or directing or editing and stuff, I would definitely recommend IMI. It's a very unique course and you learn so much. Like I've learned so much throughout my 4 years here, so I definitely recommend.
If you like content creation, join IMI.